Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to generate link on Instagram story for your business purposes. So the first thing that you have to do is just go copy the link that you want to use later. So here I already prepared the link for you guys. So now we need to copy all of the links here. Go click copy, and now you just need to go back and open your Instagram application. And after that, you just need to find the picture that you want to post as an Instagram story by click this plus button right here, and you will be generated into your photo library, and you just need to pick the picture that you want to use. And here I will to promote this product by adding the location of this product in. So you just need to go click this symbols, and after that you will see a link right here, and then you just need to go click it. Now you just need to paste the link that you already copied before, and you can also customize the sticker text, and you just need to add what do you want to use for the title here. So here I would like to do like visit here, and after that you just need to go click done. So you got the link on your story. You can adjust the position of this link, and after you're done you just need to go click add to your story, and there you go. That's the way how to create or generate link for your Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.